Hi there, this is Praveen from Jungle Tech Pro, and today I'll be doing an unboxing and review video of this Poco X3. So before I start this video, make sure you consider like and subscribe to my channel. That would be much appreciated. And if you are interested in buying this, I'll put the affiliate link in my description down below. Please use my link if you are planning to buy it. It will gonna help me a little bit. Okay, so let's start the unboxing quickly. Okay, let me open this. And okay, we got the documentation and it says Poco. And also we got a SIM ejector too, which is on the side, as you can see. And here is the back cover. We do get a nice transparent case, and it is made up of a silicone case. This is pretty nice. Here's our phone, Poco X3. So let me just open up for you so you guys can see. Okay, and let me give this phone aside and let's see what's inside the box. Let me open this, and this comes with a 33-watt fast charger adapter with a normal USB Type-C cable. And the back side is made up of plastic. It is a good quality plastic, and we got the Poco logo branding here, but it does feel premium in your hand. And talking about the weight, it is 225 grams, so it's quite big, heavy as compared to other smartphone. And also, as you can see, this is a Poco X3. It's quite thick. That's because of 6000 milliamp hour battery inside this phone. Guys, if you like a slim phone, then this might not be a good option. So yeah, let's talk about the display feature. It is 6.67-inch Full HD display and 120 Hz display refresh rate and 240 Hz touch sampling rate HDR10, which will give you smooth experience while using it. And also it does give you Gorilla Glass 5 screen protector, so it's kind of cool. And it is a quad camera setup, 64 megapixel. It is for a wide angle camera, and 13 megapixel also for the ultra wide angle, plus 2 megapixel is for a macro shot, and 2 megapixel is for the depth sensor camera. And talking about the front camera, it is a 20 megapixel front camera, and this phone can shoot videos up to 1080p resolution from this front facing camera. And one thing that you cannot shoot 4K or any ultra wide angle as compared to other smartphone nowadays. At this price point, it is kind of really shit thing. So yeah, let's talk about the back camera, rear camera. You can shoot up to 4K resolution at 30 fps and 1080p resolution at 60 fps. If you are not subscribed already, consider subscribe to my channel. That will be so helpful. And also comment down anything. Anyway, you guys can click right over here if you want to check out my other video. Okay, it's time to leave. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Now I'm sweating.